Well, bakers, as part of my Bold Baking Basics series where I show you how to make homemade ingredients from scratch, this week I'm going to show you how to make creme fraiche. Creme fraiche is a cream product that has a bacteria culture in it. It is really delicious. It can be used sweet and savory. I like it on pasta, but I also love it in tarts or whip it up on top of fruit. It has so many great uses, and guess what? It is 2 ingredients to make and it is so simple. So here's how to do it. Come here to me. In this jug, I have some heavy whipping cream. Now, the tip about the cream is we do not want ultra pasteurized. We just want pasteurized, okay? Ultra pasteurized is not the best for this recipe. So you're gonna want 2 cups of that, which is half a liter. And this recipe is on biggerbolderbaking.com along with all my other basic recipes. So now we're gonna add in our culture. Now here's the great thing. You can use cultured buttermilk or yogurt. Choose whichever one you want. More often than not, I have yogurt in my fridge, so I'm going to use that. I'm using 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Plain yogurt, obviously no flavor, please. Now, just so you know, the more of the culture that you add, it will set your creme fraiche faster and it'll make it thicker. However, it won't be as creamy. So you want to make sure that, like, first and foremost, the cream is the center, is the star of the show here. Make sure those ingredients are combined. Okie dokie, so here I have a jar now. Please use a glass jar. Metal is not recommended. So, you know, glass or plastic or something, but I have to say I do find glass better. And we're gonna pour our mix into there. Just like that. Now, if you've made yogurt before, you know where I'm going with this. I'm going to put a breathable top. I like to use kitchen paper. Some people use cheesecloth. You do not want to use like a full-on lid here. I'm going to put that over the top. I have an elastic band. Bippity boppity boop. Ta-da! Like a little hat. And we are going to leave this at room temperature for 2 days. So you'll see online there's lots of different times. Some people say 12 hours. We tried that. It did not work. Some people said a day. That didn't work either. So I really find that the sweet spot is at the 48-hour mark where you'll see it like noticeably get really lovely and thick. So for right now, I'm going to set it over to the side, let it just hang out in my kitchen for the next 2 days, and then we're going to go check on it. So I gave my creme fraiche a full 2 days, and then after that time I put it into the fridge to thicken up even more. And now it is ready to use. And as you can see, it's gotten nice and thick. If you want it thicker, like I said earlier, add more culture. But to me, this is perfect. Creme fraiche is a really versatile ingredient and fantastic to know how to make from scratch. Use it in your savory cooking, like to make pasta dishes or sauces, or you can even use it in your sweet baking to make tarts, whipped creams, or even fillings. It even works great if you put a dollop on the top of strawberries. I hope you enjoyed this Bold Baking Basics video, and if you haven't seen my others, stick around because you can learn how to make your own homemade butter, cream cheese, food dyes, so many great videos. I'll see you back here again really soon.